What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Row here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu in today's specific video, so make sure you guys watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of the important Shiba Inu news updates that I'm going to be covering in today's video. Without further ado, guys, though, let's get right into it. As you can see, Shib is recovering and rebounding quite nicely alongside bigger coins, of course, like Cardano, Terra Luna, and a bunch of other altcoins. If we look, actually, Shiba Inu is up just about 2.60% on the day today as far as today goes. If we look at yesterday, it was an absolute amazing run up. As you can see here, we experienced almost a 10% gain in just over the course of about 24 hours. That is absolutely incredible, guys, and I think everybody in the Shiba Inu community should be very proud of themselves as far as how far we have come as a coin and how we've been able to bounce back from these previous lows that we've been at before. Really quick, guys, before we get into more news, I want to make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, guys. It is the best way to support us. Literally, it's free too if you guys want to get access to the latest and updated information as far as Shiba Inu goes and a bunch of other cryptocurrency projects that we talk about here on this channel. Again, this is the one-stop shop for everything that you could possibly need as far as crypto news goes. So hit that sub button if you haven't already, guys. But let's talk about the overall markets and kind of where we're at as far as that is concerned. If we look, Bitcoin is now over $40,000 again, guys. The reason why this is a big deal is because what we know about Bitcoin is uniquely from, other coins is that it drives market value. It drives market pressure. We see Bitcoin move substantially in the upward direction. We see all other coins follow suit. It doesn't matter if that coin fundamentally is garbage. It doesn't matter if that coin is fundamentally great. It seems that Bitcoin, at least right now, and this could change in the future, but right now, for the most part, Bitcoin is what is heavily driving the market. And if you look, Shiba Inu is massively running as well because of that. Now, again, Shiba Inu, unfortunately, is a little bit more volatile compared to, of course, Bitcoin. And what you have to remember, too, the reason why we're seeing a little bit of a dip right here is because that there are going to be a lot of holders that are more traders than they are investors. That means they're going to take profits, unfortunately, and they're not hodlers, right? They're not going to hold their coins. And, of course, when we have a little bit of selling pressure like that after this type, the 10 to 11 to 12% type of run-ups, we're going to see a little bit of profit takers where the price is likely going to pull back just a little bit. Now, keeping all of that in mind, again, Bitcoin's still moving quite well, and we're still seeing a lot of upward momentum here in this area. Ethereum is now over $3,000 once again. As long as we hold these levels, guys, and even if we pull back a little bit, have another red day, maybe tomorrow or the next day, as long as we stay at these levels and continue to push towards that upward direction, we should be okay. Should be. But again, guys, I think overall the cryptocurrency markets are moving in a way that I really expect them to and that I would like them to do. And overall, I'm very excited to see where we go in the future. If you guys haven't already, I want to recommend you guys join our private Discord. Let me read you guys some of the benefits that you get from joining this amazing community. You get one-on-one interactions with us in the Discord and the Patreon. We also do daily crypto alerts. These are our buy alerts, which is basically when we're buying a new type of cryptocurrency. It also includes a first look at new cryptos that we are personally looking into and doing research on, includes crypto market strategies and updates, and of course includes articles and information that I think that you guys might find useful. Again, it's the one-stop shop for everything you could possibly need as far as crypto goes, so hit that second link down in the description below and get signed up, guys. I think you guys will really enjoy what we provide value-wise in that community. But of course, guys, let's talk about this. Here's what Shiba Inu is doing right and what others are getting it wrong. So this seems to be something probably in relation to, of course, the Playside game collaboration and the future game collaborations that Shiba Inu is planning on, of course, producing. Let's read a little bit more about this, and see what this entails. Towards the end of November, Shiba Inu had collaborated with William David Volk, the game creator and former vice president of technology at Activision, to consult on its pay-to-earn non-fungible token game. The game, originally dubbed the Achiverse, is set to be the newest and most notable extension of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Satoshi Kasama, the project leader of the decentralized meme coin, he had shared details with regard to said development towards the end of November via an article titled "The Future of Gaming is Shib." Shib is doing it the right way. Quite recently, Nathan Boassa, who has been in the video game industry for 25 years, partnered with AAA publishers and one-person indies, launched the first game currency on PlayStation and typically put God of War's Kratos in Mortal Kombat. He took to Twitter to share his insight about how integrative NFTs into games. He explicitly stated, "You shouldn't," apparently. Interestingly, David Volk was on the same page as Boysa after highlighting how others from the space are doing it wrong. He highlighted that Shib wasn't. Replying to the same tweet, Volk said, "I've been in the video game industry for over 40 years. Former VP, of course, yeah, we know who he is. And again, you are right. They are doing NFT games wrong. We, hashtag Shib, aren't, apparently." So basically, that's kind of a direct statement by William Volk himself saying that, yes, most of these games shouldn't incorporate NFTs into their structure. However, we, at least at Shib, are doing this completely differently, apparently, and they're going to be implementing it the right way. I'm very curious to see what that right way is and how that's going to play out. If anything, I think they do have a point that, yeah, maybe they are doing something substantially different than most of these other coins are. Very excited to see how that plays out. The Shib army rejoices following tasty new partnerships for the Shiba Inu crypto. This is on Nasdaq.com, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to Nasdaq.com. No, but really, this is cool, and we've been on Nasdaq.com a few times anyways. But again, Shiba Inu is continuing to push forward with new partnerships that we've seen more and more. Wellies, of course, is the most recent one that we've seen. Wellies is, of course, a Italian food restaurant, and it's kind of struck a little bit of controversy within the Shiba Inu community. Some people like the deal, some people don't like the deal. Again, my personal take on it is that I'm not a huge fan of the deal. I did bash it a few times in videos, but it's kind of a dead horse at this point. But hey, either way, this is a Nasdaq.com article, and they're pretty positive about it, so you'd love to see it. But either way, I think that this could be something that in the future, as Wellies grows and expands, we could see a lot of development there, and hopefully a lot of potential to increase the overall Shiba Inu ecosystem relevancy in real life, IRL, and also too, I think just for the overall food chain to grow alongside Shiba Inu as well, I think will be a very good catalyst for them as well. If you guys haven't already, I want to recommend you guys pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. All you guys have to do is sign up and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $500, guys. Zach and I recently got some free stocks from that link, and we got $300 worth of Amazon stock. So if you guys want to try your hand and see if you guys get that, again, hit that first link down in the description below. All you got to do is sign up and make an account and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a chance to earning free stock that's all the way up to $300 before $500 of free stock. So hit that link. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. Again, guys, not much going on as far as Shiba Inu is concerned today. A little quiet day, but I'm sure more news will come out during the rest of the day. It's really why you guys got to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss when we post new pieces of news every single day. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.